When you're managing many deals and tasks, it's easy to miss something. To avoid keeping deadlines in your head, connect Google Calendar to SendPulse CRM. This will allow you to see all calendar events directly in the CRM, automatically create meetings from deals and sync CRM tasks with Google. To start, let's connect Google Calendar to the CRM. In the left CRM menu, select Integrations. Choose Google Calendar. SendPulse will redirect you to the application marketplace. Find Google Calendar and CRM. In the window that appears, click Install. You'll see a request for access to certain services you use in your SendPulse account. Confirm that you grant the specified access rights by clicking Agree. In the next window, you'll see that to connect Google Calendar to your SendPulse account, you can continue with Google Authentication. Choose the calendars you need, click Add Calendar, and select the calendars for importing events. You can choose one or more calendars, but each calendar can have only one automation. Please note, to add calendars, you must have a pro pricing plan or higher in the CRM system. Next, you'll work with the settings, saving events in a pipeline or on a board. To save events and create deals in your pipeline, select the Sync a Pipeline and Calendar checkbox. Select the pipeline and deal stage where you want to add events. Assign a team member to your Google Calendar events. Check the functions you need. Show Google Calendar events in the pipeline and show pipeline deals in the Google Calendar. To synchronize the task board with the calendar, select the board whose task will be integrated into Google Calendar. You also need to assign a team member to your Google Calendar events. Activate additional functions for this pipeline. Show Google Calendar events on the board and show tasks from the board in Google Calendar. To manage the integration, click the three dots next to the desired calendar and select an action. Disable to stop the calendar integration. Settings to adjust the integration settings. Delete. This removes the calendar integration and all its settings, and all created deals and tasks will only appear in the CRM system. Benefits of integration. All events are in one place, synchronized between systems. Managers won't forget about a meeting or task. You can work in SendPulse without having to open Google Calendar. The calendar becomes a productive working tool. Next, in the following lesson, we will talk about integrating with telephony services.